Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Grain markets all finished up lower yesterday with wheat leading the way to the downside. It was only down 3, so the markets weren't down much at all yesterday. They're all currently higher this morning. Export sales were released this morning. You had corn meeting the trade expectations while beans and wheat exceeded the trade expectations. So that was good to see. The demand is still there, and corn was still within right in the middle of the bell curve as far as expectations go. So demand remains pretty strong, and that's something we've seen recently with prices being where they are. We're much more competitive on the world market than we were, say, 5-6 months ago when prices were much more elevated. So that's good to see that the demand is there. Moving forward to today, not a whole lot of news out fundamentally today. We do have option expiration coming up on Friday, which is tomorrow. And I know a lot of folks are keeping their eye on the $4 level for the December corn options, just due to the fact that's where the highest open interest is. That can act like a magnet. We're a little ways away. I think we're around, let's see, around 20 cents away from where the pause is between the overnight and the day session here. So around 20 cents away, so it would take a little bit of a large magnet, if that's the case, to get it down to that $4 level. But that's something that we've seen happen. But with the corn market where it is now at $4.20, a 20-cent move is a little less likely to happen versus, say, a year ago when we were up in much higher levels as far as prices go. So, but we'll see what happens. It's certainly not out of the question. It is option expiration, so anything can happen. So that's all we've got for today. If you have any questions, let us know. Otherwise, have a great day.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by a Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors, such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore, investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.